Greetings, and a warm welcome back to my channel. Today, we're about to embark on an exciting journey into the world of cutting-edge AI video production. Our first destination, unveiling the incredible capabilities of a brand new AI video maker tool that will leave you amazed. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Kickstart your adventure by signing up for AI Studio using the link provided in the video's description. You'll gain access to an enticing free trial version. Registration is a breeze. You can choose to sign up through your Google account or by using your email address. Step 2. Once your registration is complete, you'll be at the doorstep of creativity. Click on the Create a Free Video button or log into your dashboard. Seek out the ChatGPT icon to set the wheels in motion for crafting your video masterpiece. Step 3. It's time to unleash your imagination. I've asked ChatGPT to conjure up a video on yoga flow on stress relief. Select your preferred template. Then hit the magical Create Your Free AI Video button to initiate the video generation process. Now, it's time to exercise some patience while the magic unfolds. Step 4. As the AI weaves its creative tapestry, you'll have the power to shape your masterpiece. Customize your creation to your heart's content. Change the avatar, tweak the avatar's voice, refine the avatar's style, adjust object placements, or create an entirely new backdrop using an array of stock images or video stock. And if your video calls for it, you can even add some captivating background music. Step 5. With your vision brought to life and every detail finely tuned, it's time to set your creation free. Hit that export button, select your preferred video format, and let the rendering process work its magic. They'll ping you a notification via email once your creation is ready for the world. Here's a glimpse of what your masterpiece could look like.
Yoga is known for its numerous health benefits, including reducing stress and anxiety. This yoga flow for stress relief is designed to help calm the mind and body. Corpse pose is a simple yet powerful pose that helps to release tension from the body and calm the mind. Lie flat on your back with your arms and legs stretched out and close your eyes. Take several deep breaths in and out, allowing your body to sink into the ground and your mind to enter a state of deep relaxation.